This video explains the materiality of the digital and why the internet is not purely virtual. We'll look at the physical parts that make digital life possible and how that affects debates about the environment, access, surveillance, labor, and waste. First, what do we mean by materiality? Materiality means all the physical components, hardware, energy, infrastructure, and manufacture parts that make digital systems run. Let's zoom in on a data center and energy. Data centers are rows of servers that store and move our data. They use a lot of power, so energy infrastructure and carbon footprints matter. Now, consider the global network of cables and satellites. Undersea fiber cables, terrestrial links, and satellites physically connect places on Earth, and those connections shape who can access high-speed internet. Material infrastructure is distributed unevenly, which creates a digital divide. Some regions have dense, fast networks and many devices. Other regions have few connections and limited access. The physical locations of servers and storage shape surveillance, control, and data sovereignty. Data stored in a country may be subject to that country's laws. Physical server location and network routing matter for privacy debates. The production of devices involves supply chains, resource extraction, and labor conditions. Devices also have finite lifetimes, leading to electronic waste and recycling debates. To summarize, the materiality of the digital informs major debates: environmental impact from energy use, unequal access due to infrastructure distribution, surveillance driven by physical server locations, labor and supply chains, and e-waste. Understanding these material realities helps us make better policy and design choices. If you'd like, we can explore one of these debates in more depth. For example, how to estimate the carbon footprint of a data center, or how policy can reduce the digital divide. Thank you for watching.